Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create an account on Lego. So let's get started. First of all, you have to come on your Google search bar and write here Lego account and press enter. And you have to click on the first link. Now you can see an interface like that. In this page you can create an account. You have to click on this register. You can see this interface. First of all, you have to select your country. I am from Bangladesh, so I have to select my country, Bangladesh. I'm typing here my birthday. And then I'm clicking on continue. You have to write here your first name. I'm writing here my first name. And my last name is Rahman. And I have to give here my email. And you can see in this box you have to create your account. Which account you have to log in and giving this a password when you log in your account. So let's make a strong password. After that you have to click on yes, create account. Now you have to activate your account. For that you have to go to your Gmail account and you have to check activation code. Now I am giving my activation code from my Gmail. My activation code is 6703993. Now I am clicking on continue. Here we go, our account is ready. From this interface you can see your account, my overviews, my orders, my personal address, preference and personalizations, wish list, my collection, etc. Your account is now ready, so you can use your account